Hi guys, welcome to my son's vlog. In this video, I'm gonna teach my son how to speak English.
Hi Yayung! How are you today, Yayung? Papa, where's your papa? Where's papa? Working. Kicking. Working. Kicking. Papa is kicking. Papa. Yana. Mama is cooking. Kicking. Hey, and cook. Fish. Chicken. Noodles. Rice. Water. Milk. Tatat. Yeah. How in ears? Ears mo, ears. Ears. How in eyes? Eyes na eyes. Where's your eyes? Yee! How in mouth? Mouth. Touch your mouth. Touch your mouth. ABC, ABC ka, ABC. A, B, C, D. Okay. ABC ka lang ka. Kailan ka ABC? Sing ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Kati daw. Oh, kala nga. Imitate mama, imitate. A, B, C, D. Baba! Pek. Pek. Yan na akaw ko no kwan. Yan na akaw ko no milk. Biren kay ngatan. I. Baba.